What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Timon, and today I'm just gonna be taking you guys on some back roads and getting on the car, see what she's capable of through the twists and turns here and there, and that's about it. So enough talking. It's just gonna be quite the whole ride. Let's get started. But first, I gotta get the food for the wifey. You know, happy wife, happy life. You already know. So I'm gonna take you guys there real quick with me. Alright guys, so we made it to the spot and I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, package secured. Got some Domino's pizza for the bay. If you guys want to know a life hack, put your seat warmers on. Bam! Keep the pizza or any type of food you guys got nice and warm for you to get home. Alright, so now that the package is delivered, let's get to it. Cops usually sit around there, so that's why I had to brake a little bit. At the Mobile One gas station, about to fill her up. I let her cool down for like a couple minutes before shutting her off. I'm about at half a tank. Let's see how much it'll cost to fill it up. So I went inside and pumped about $10 for premium, and probably another $5 to $7 would have filled it up. Not bad, not bad. Before I end it, I just want to ask you guys a couple questions. You know, comment down below. I noticed that some of you guys are between the ages of 18 to 24. I think it's about 30-ish% from those ages that watch me, and then 25 through 34, about like 60% of you guys watch me at that age. And I'm just wondering, what do you guys do for a living? Like, what's your job occupation and whatnot? For me, I'm 23 and I'm a multi-discipline lab technician. I work for oh my god, I work for a life science company. Yeah, I'm just wondering what you guys do for, you know, to be able to afford your mods. I honestly enjoy my job now. Very long hours though, here and there, but hey, that means more OT, more money. Know what I mean? So I'm not sick or anything. It's just that when I don't talk for a long time, my voice gets cracky. Or maybe I've been doing a lot of overtime and I'm just tired right now. The grind don't stop, baby. Sheesh. Look at that Mustang. What is that? GT? 350? I don't even know. That thing sounds nasty though. Cobra? I don't even know. I don't even know. Comment down below if you know what that kind of Mustang was. A Roush? I have no idea. I don't know nothing about Mustangs. All I know is the 5.0 Coyote engines, the GT, is it 350R? Something like that. And I think that's about it. That's all the Mustangs I know. All I know is them big V8 boys ain't playing around. And you got your little 4-banger right here, you know. Saving gas, saving gas. That's what I'm here for. It's to save gas. Okay. Trucks be going off. We in the south? Them diesel boys. Sheesh. Okay. You got some bikes too? Alright, one last pull for you guys. I be bugging out. I be wilding out here. Anyways, enough of my shenanigans. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you enjoyed the little drive around back road type of point of view. Like, comment, and subscribe. Remember the question I asked you, you know, comment down below. I just want to know. I'm also trying to hit 200 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm just trying to stay on a schedule for myself and try not to miss my video scheduling. Road to 200 by the end of this year. Peace.